Hey everybody, I wanted to send a shout out today to Hayward. As you can see, they build better and I believe it. They sent me their, and in full disclosure, they sent me their Omni X Gateway to try out with another product they sent me that you're going to see in a moment. Well, actually, I'll show you now. It is their Hayward MaxFlo VS 400 series, and specifically it's the 420 pump on the series. And it has Omni X in it, which means it's going to be on Wi-Fi and accessible anywhere through the internet, and that's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Uh, Once this is on the internet and configured, then I'll be able to access it from anywhere to check out the pump and control it. But let's take a look at the Omni X Gateway. Right, it says it wirely connects to Omni X equipment to your home network using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'll probably plug this in to an access point someplace and get it right on the wire. But let's open in the box. I've never seen the product before. It's pretty simple. This is your Omni X Gateway Quick Start Guide. Let's see what kind of good stuff they're telling us. Now, I will make other videos to show us exactly what's going on. So we're going to need to put some software on the phone, connect the Omni X Gateway, 2x4 gigahertz if you're going to do it Wi-Fi, or you can plug it in directly. Then you have to download the app, where to locate the gateway. I'll have it right near my pool equipment because it's near the living room. Wireless connection or a wired connection. So this is going to talk to Wi-Fi anyway over the Omni X, and then you can access this from any place. And there's going to be a bit of a learning curve for me with this, so I can't jump into this this week because I'm going away. But I did want to get the unboxing done and send a shout out to the people at Hayward for sending this out. It looks like an excellent product. Just some troubleshooting if you need to know some troubleshooting. And they do give you the QR code in case you want to download the Omni X application. Thank you, Hayward. Now, like anything else that you do, some of these devices are very simple on the inside, but there's a lot of logic in here that you're not aware of, okay? There's obviously, that's the power cord. That might be a reset button based on my experience with things in the past. And that's the LAN connection, the wired connection. Now it also has an attachment point. You can mount this right on the wall. I might even mount this right on the wall next to my alarm system. And then it says some contents below. And as you would figure, we have a power brick. There's a power brick. And USB A to C connector. Now it's typically my experience when something comes with a USB A to C connector, it's typically not going to work at higher wattage like with a C to C connector. So when you see something that comes with an A to C connector, you're probably better off using the parts that they send you with it, because that's how they engineered it to work properly. So that's all in one neat little package. I'm really looking forward to getting to this, but I have to wait. I'm going to have to wait. Oh, I don't know the exact date, but for probably after the 13th of July is when I can get to this, only because I'm not going to be here and I don't want to shove this in a hasty fashion. So that's the side of the box, what you're looking at. Take control from anywhere. Now, they're going to base more products coming out on the Omni X Gateway. One thing I think is going to be some stuff that I'm going to get into either later this year or early next year. But for now, everything will be ready for it. So that's all I've got for now on this product. Again, thank you, Hayward, and everybody else have a blessed day.